This bird looks like a ghost, and it almost was one. Meet the Kagu, a rare flightless bird found only in New Caledonia. Nowhere else on Earth. Locals call it the ghost of the forest, because it glides silently through the misty jungle. It has powder blue feathers, a bright red beak, and can spread its wings like a vampire cape. But here's the twist. It can't fly. Instead, it hops like a ninja and hunts worms and snails with deadly accuracy. At one point, it was nearly extinct. Fewer than 100 birds left, but conservationists saved it, and it makes a sound called the Kagu scream, a bone-chilling call that echoes through the jungle. Young Kagus may stay with their parents up to 6 years, helping to defend younger offspring. Follow for more rare animal facts, or this ghost bird will scream outside your window tonight.